That event file stores calendar appointments from a legacy Sony Ericsson mobile phone, scheduling data preserved from a bygone mobile era. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access or migrate these calendar entries. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for event problems. See below for my top choice. Event files are calendar event data files from Sony Ericsson mobile phones containing appointment details such as dates, times, locations, descriptions, and reminder settings. They were used for syncing calendar data between the phone and desktop management software. Sony Ericsson. Event files use a vCalendar-based format storing VEVENT. Objects with properties including DTSTART, DTEND summary, location, and VALARM reminder data. They are plain text files compatible with iCalendar standards for calendar data interchange. Sony Corporation defines Sony PC Companion as the main handler for event files. The native Windows utility cannot fully interpret the file's specific data structure. Windows recognizes shortcuts universally, but their function is tied to the target's location. We're performing an initial application check. Right-click your event file and choose Open With. Test Sony PC Companion first. If it's not there, select another program. This simple process often yields a quick fix. If your event file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the event file won't cooperate. First, opening the file. Rename the event file extension to ICS and open it with any modern calendar application, such as Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or Microsoft Outlook. The vCalendar data structure is compatible with the universal ICS iCalendar format used by all modern platforms. Next, importing to Google Calendar, open Google Calendar in your web browser and click the gear icon, then Settings, then Import and Export. Select Import and upload your renamed ICS file to add all calendar events to your Google Calendar account automatically. Finally, bulk migration. For multiple event files, use a batch rename tool to change all extensions from event to ICS. Import the ICS files into your preferred calendar application, or use a CalDAV server to centralize all migrated calendar events in one synchronized location. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.